The world's largest business aviation event is getting off the ground, taking off from an all-new location.
I'm Ed Highland with NBAA TV, sponsored by Honeywell. NBAA Base is all about innovation and education. And what better place to showcase that than the brand new Las Vegas Convention Center, West Hall.
For the first time, NBAA Base is in this new space. The Las Vegas Convention Center West Hall provides 1.4 million square feet of space for this year's exhibit hall and education sessions, all under one roof. NBAA Vice President Exhibits Linda Peters gave us an overview of the new space from the catwalks high above the exhibit floor.
We're very excited. We have nearly 750 companies and a lot to see when you venture into the exhibit hall. We have the AAM area, the Emerging Technologies area, which is new technologies that are going to be in our future. We also have the new Maintenance Pavilion and Silent Auction area. The proceeds for that go to the Maintenance Scholarship. First time in the round keynote area, and we're very excited to see our key speakers on day one and day two.
Another standout feature is the new Exhibitor Pavilion with over 100 first-time NBAA Base exhibitors.
I'm so excited. I can't tell you how excited I am, and so is the community. There's so much excitement for everybody to be back and to be back to doing business.
NBAA Base will be the largest event in the new West Hall since it opened its doors this summer. NBAA Base Exhibits opens on Tuesday at 10 a.m. This is NBAA TV, sponsored by Honeywell.